So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So here I am gonna tell you 10 ways to make money using Claude AI. Completely free and everything I will cover here, and this PDF also I will share in description. Again many more PDFs are available and many more prompts are available, that which one I will share in description. So let's go. How you can make money. So first, actually what is Claude AI? So Claude AI is nothing. It is an advanced AI assistant which is used to write codes, email, scripts, and many more. Also used for building websites. Also you can automate workflows. Also you can create chatbots, voice agents, design digital products, and many more. So here, in the new era, so here is AI skills is very much important. How it is improving? See, just in 2021 where it was only for 20, but in 2026 it is exponentially growing. So in the coming future it will also surely grow, and the AI market in 2013 is projected of $900 billion, means forex growth. So just start now, it is the best time. Then how you can start? So here's the starting point. Number one, AI content writer. So write blogs, email, scripts, captions, and sales copy for client using Claude AI. Within a second, you can write everything. Just get a content request from a client, use Claude to generate a draft, a minute, edit, personalize the content, and deliver to and repeat. Tools and income, what like Claude AI you can use, Google Docs and Notion, nothing more. See, beginner friendly, you can charge up to 5,000 to 15,000 per month. If you become advanced, then you will surely earn 80,000 to 2 lakh rupees per month. So just start today. Create 3 simple article using Claude, post on LinkedIn, and pitch 5 clients every day. 5 client every day means in the end of the month you will 150 client. After 150 clients, surely 10 to 20 clients you will get. Then CTC, you don't need to be a writer, you just need to be a Claude. So method 1 over. Now method 2 is your AI website building. Now is AI website craze is everywhere. Means build professional website and sell to local businesses like saloon, restaurant, clinic using AI and no code platform. How it works? Find businesses those who do not have website. Where you can find? You can find on Google Map. Use Claude to generate and copy structure. Build a best 44 very best platform. This link also I will provide, through which you can create no code website. Charge up to 5,000 to 50,000 per site. Just imagine if you get 20 client in a month, or 10 client, means 10 into 5 is 50,000. 50,000 just sitting and creating this simple website and selling to the businesses. What tools you can use? Like Claude AI, Base 44, Framer, and Google Map. So its potential for beginner is 10,000 to 30,000, and for advanced is 1 lakh to 5 lakh. So build one demo website and pitch one local businesses today using Claude and Base 44. So local businesses are desperate of website and you can build it in 1 hour. So go and take action. Your third is AI voice agent. So nothing, it is very easily. See what you have to do, just build a AI phone agent that answer the calls, book appointments, and handle customer queries 24 by 7. Because we know that human cannot work 24 by 7. Can you? Or can we? No, only agents can do. So how it works? Like find the businesses that those who do deal with mobile phones like dental, restaurant, HVAC. So build a voice agent and voice flow or VAPI. Then demo the agent to the business owner and charge a monthly retailing fee. Just tools you need only Claude AI, voice flow, VAPI, and Twilio. Beginner you can charge nearly $300 to $800 per month. Can you imagine? And advanced, just unlimited, $3,000 to $10,000 per month if you are an agency owner. Start today. Build a demo voice agent. Go to HVAC company and record a Loom video and pitch them using email. Then this simple AI agent is worth $500 per month to businesses and takes days to build. Now your fourth is AI automation service. To automate repetitive business tasks like lead follow-ups, email replies, data entry, and reports. How it works? Identify a repetitive task first. What you have to do? Identify it. Then use Claude and Make.com or N8N to build the automation. Then show the client how many hours they save. Package them as a monthly service. Then what are the tools and you want to do? you want to use, just use Claude AI, Mac.com, N8N, Zapier, and Airtable. So, how much salary you can accept? Nothing, just 15,000 to 40,000 per month. Can you imagine? Then advance up to 2 lakh to 10 lakh rupees per month. So, what you have to do today? Just build one automation that saves 5 hours a week for any business. Sow it. First, you have to sow it, then sell it. If they feel that this business is going to help me, or this automation is save my time, then I will surely buy. They will surely buy. So one automation can save a business of 20 plus hours a week. That's what thousands of dollars. You don't need experience, just Claude AI and consistent. Then your fifth is AI social media management. In the previous or in the traditional way, all are done by the human being, but now is AI era. That's why everything is done by the AI, like manage Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube content, or for businesses. So using Claude AI to create post, caption, and strategy. How it works? Get a client coach like brand, local businesses. Use Claude to create a 30-day content calendar. Then third step is your generate caption, hooks, and script with Claude. Schedule using buffer and metrical. So what are the tools I used here to become an AI social media management? Nothing, just Claude AI, buffer, Canva, and metrical. How much money you can expect? Just beginner can accept up to 8,000 to 20,000, 25,000 per client, and advanced can 1 lakh to 3 lakh per month, means 5 to 10 clients. Start today. What, how you can start today? Create a 3-7 day social media plan for a brand using it as your portfolio. Like brand pay 20,000 per month for content Claude, and though does the writing in minute. So you don't need experience, just Claude AI and consistency. Then sixth year, AI ad creative creation. This is also very booming niche. So write high converting ad copy, hooks, script for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. How it works? Understand the client, product, and audience. Use Claude to generate 10 ad variation. Always do A/B test, because A/B test is more. If this one will not work, this one will work. So charge per campaign and monthly return. What are tools you can use here for the creation? Claude AI, Canva, Meta Ads, and Google Ads. How much a beginner can expect of earning 10,000 to 30,000, or an advanced 2 lakh plus. So write 5 ad copies for any product. Use Claude post as a portfolio sample. Then what you can do? Most ad agency outsource copywriting, so you can replace that with Claude. So now seventh is your AI ebook and digital product. This is also very booming. Create and sell ebooks, prompt pack, templates, and mini course using Claude AI, which one I am doing. So how it works? Just pick a niche, which I took AI. Use Claude to outline and write the content. What I have done? I use the Claude to create this PPT, and this PPT about how you can make money using Claude. So design with Canva and sell on Gumroad, Payhips, again many more there. So run Instagram and YouTube traffic to it. What are tools you can use like Claude AI, Canva, Gumroad, Payhips, and what are the income you can set? 5,000 to 20,000 per month. Advance can 1 lakh per month. So what you can do today? Today you have to do this. Create 10-page ebook with Claude today and list it on Gumroad for 199. Then go and create short reels on Instagram and see how the magic happens. Then your 8 is AI presentation service. This presentation is also very much important. If you know everything but you cannot present in front of the others, then nothing, no value of that. So how you can create a professional pitch deck, investor presentation, and training slides for businesses? How it works? Get the client, raw content or idea. Use Claude to structure the story and talking point. Design slides with beautiful layouts. Deliver polished deck in 24 to 48 hours. What are tools you can use here? Nothing, just Claude AI, PowerPoint, Gamma, Beautiful.ai. Money 3,000 to 50,000 per deck. Advance 50,000 plus per year. So what you can do today? Build a sample pitch deck using Claude for a fictional startup. Show it online. Your ninth AI chatbot building. How you can build a chatbot for a dental clinic, e-commerce store, service businesses that handle FAQs and lead capture 24/7. So how it works? Very easy. Choose a business, clinic, salon, real estate, but choose any one. Build a chatbot using voice flow or WordPress. Train it on Claude with business info, then charge setup plus monthly fee. So what are tools and the income? Claude AI, voice flow, bot press, and type bot. To beginner like yeah, $200 to $600 they can charge, advance up to $5,000 per month to 15,000 per month. So how what you can do today? Just build one chatbot, dental chatbot demo, name it area, send it to 10 clinic via DM or you can use email, then see the result. Last but not the least, AI freelancing agents. Combine multiple AI services into a full agent like content, chatbot, website automation, which one I am thinking of doing in the future. When I will do, just don't forget to subscribe it. I will make this complete video on this AI freelancing agency, how you can create and pitch to the client or you can sell to the client. So master 2 to 3 AI services first, build a portfolio case study, create a service package and clear pricing, get client via cold emails, LinkedIn, Upwork. What are tools I can use? Claude AI, all tool above, Notion, Calendar. Beginner, $1,000 to $3,000. Can you imagine? And advance 50,000 per month. So pick your two favorite method, create a simple one page offer, reach out to 10 clients every day. Means monthly 300 clients and see the result. Means you are going to make too much money. So how what you can do to start your journey? The beginner first learn Claude AI basics. Pick one service to offer. Build 2 to 3 portfolio sample. Then land your first client. This first client is very much important. Second, momentum. Try to get 3 to 5 active clients. Streamline delivery SOPs. Add 2 second income stream. Then build case studies. Then how you can scale it? Launch AI freelancing services. Add digital products. Hire or outsource tasks. Then build personal brand. So how to win faster with AI freelancing? So see finding client. How you can do? Just go to Google Map. Those who do not have website, call DM or Instagram or LinkedIn. Cold email with Loom video link or Upwork or Fiverr profile. How you can do pricing strategy? Start with low because to build portfolio you have to start with low. The second, charge for result, not for hour. Tell them that I will bring this much client for you. You pay me per client. Package them like anything. No, just set up and retail it. Raise price every 3 clients. If you get 3 clients, then try to raise your income. How you can scale your income? Nothing, just productize your service like templates. Add digital product for passive income. Upscale existing client monthly. Build personal brand on Instagram. Then common mistake for picking too many services at once. Not following with prospect and underpricing your work, long term skipping portfolio building. Then start today. How you can start? Not today, tomorrow, not Monday, today. To choose one method from this presentation, build a simple demo or sample in the next 24 hours. Reach out to 10 potential clients in this week. The consistency should be more as perfection. Perfection will come. So one imperfect step beats zero perfect now. So for today this much. If you like the video, you can subscribe me, like me and leave the comment on which topic should I create a detailed video for you. So we'll meet on next video. For that, bye.